Highly blissfulness, everyone. It's your girl Nix, and today I've got something really powerful for you. I've got a herb here on my table, and I know for some of you that love using the eyes to seek out things, and I know exactly what we have here, so right. I am making a powerful herbal extract today, and I know some of you guys know this herb because your grandmother introduced it to your mother. You get me? So this is coming from way back. This herb is a traditional herb and it's a traditional medicine that is used in Jamaica and it's known for its bitterness. All right. Cerasee is this plant, other known as bitter melon, right? And we usually prepare this as a tea using the vines and the leaves. Sometimes it have this little pod, like a yellow pod. These are the little pods from it, but they're not developed. We will pop the pods open and the seeds would be red like my nails. And we just eat the seeds. Oh, they're so delicious and sweet. Really, 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 really nice and really nutritious. Fibersome, excellent for digestive system. So with this Cerasee, I'm going to turn it into extract today. And the reason why we use the Cerasee to prepare teas is because it's rich in antioxidants, vitamin A and C, minerals, and iron. We used to get this before we go school a morning time. And if you have belly ache, this stop it. And if you want to wash out, this wash out because it's an antiparasitic herb as well. It helps you get rid of some of the parasites in your body, especially in your intestines. It is used in Jamaica for detoxifying the body, as I told you. We do it for detoxify the whole entire body, and it treats skin problem like eczema and rashes. And as I said before, it helps to aid digestion. A lot of people drink Cerasee in Jamaica to control blood sugar levels in the body, and it helps to purify the blood, and it also eases menstrual cramping. And because although it's bitter in taste, it remains a popular remedy to promoting health and well-being in Jamaica. So we use Cerasee for not just only tea and not only for digestion, but to help to purify the blood. It helps to, ease menstrual cramps and reduce sugar levels in the blood. And although it is very bitter, it is a herb that is promoting health and well-being throughout the whole island. So a lot of Jamaicans, we use our Cerasee. We love with Cerasee. As much as it's bitter, we love the Cerasee because we love the benefits that it gives. As I said before, it is a blood sugar regulator. It's going to lower your blood sugar and it's going to help to manage your diabetes if you've got diabetes. The extract contains compounds that may mimic insulin. So it's going to help to regulate the blood glucose level. You understand the part there? It's going to help to regulate blood glucose in the body. All right. The second one is detoxification. Cerasee extract has a natural detoxifying compound that is going to help to clean the body and support the liver health. The third one, it's amazing for skin health. When I'm back home, I normally just get the bush, wet it up and rub it on my skin if I have any rashes or any, skin problem. But it helps to treat eczema, acne, rashes due to anti-inflammatory issues and antimicrobial properties. It contains it, right? So it's going to do a lot for the body. It helps with your digestive system. It can ease the digestive tract, relieve constipation, and promote overall gut health and align the digestive tract. It also has anti-inflammatory compound, and that's going to help to reduce inflammation throughout the whole body. And it's excellent for arthritic pain and inflammation issues. So if you have joint pain and all of them something there, this is going to help you out. It also helps the immune system because it helps to deliver vitamin C and antioxidants throughout the whole body. And that's going to fight off infections, all right? So, weight management for Cerasee. Cerasee is excellent for weight management. It helps to, support the weight and improve metabolism. So, metabolism meaning you have a higher metabolism so you can't store the fat on. It breaks down the fat quicker because your metabolism is working really good. So this helps to boost your metabolism. And it also helps to relieve menstrual cramps and pain and discomfort during the cycles because it helps to balance out the hormone. All right, let's go through how we're going to make our Cerasee right now. I'm excited, guys, because I don't really like the tea, but I'm going to make the extract and use the extract into my smoothies, my, juices, my water, and also my herbal teas with other, herbs. So that's how I am going to take it. And I want to show you how you can take it if you don't like it in your tea. All right, let's go. I wanted to mention about the fruit. The reason why I love the fruit so much is because it's packed with vitamin C and A, and it's rich in antioxidants as well, which is going to help you to, improve the immune system. So the fruits are amazing for the children. All right. My kids, they love it. They'll fight you for the fruit. All right. So this is another way you can introduce this into the kids' diet by giving them the fruits. It still have some of the properties and benefits that the leaves and the vines has. All right. So because we're going to make the extract, and the extract is going to extract all the compounds and, the properties from the herb itself. This is going to be a very potent and very strong herb. So you're going to have to use it in moderation. In small amounts is effective. All right. So you're going to put like a 1 gram into, probably 750 mils of water and have it over throughout the day. All right. You can probably do it twice a day. Okay. But you're going to have to limit the amount you use because it's very potent. It's stronger than just brewing your tea. Okay. That's a disclaimer I had to show you. I had to tell you guys. Right. First, I measured out my water. So we're going to need water and glycerin for this. As you've seen the other extract I've made on the channel, if you're not familiar with the extracts that I've been making, go back to my playlist, search and find the extract that I make, how to make extracts. And that will show you how to calculate your percentages and how much to use. I'm going to be using 24 grams of water into this jar because it's 120 grams can hold in here. So I'm going to put the herbs in my container. And these herbs are from Jamaica. They're Jamaican Cerasee. I don't have them in the UK. This is when I went on holiday and I got them back. Yeah, I got a bag of full of Cerasee. So I'm going to put the herbs into the jar. And then I'm going to weigh out around 96 to 98 grams of glycerin. I'm going to put around 96 grams of glycerin in and onto the herbs. Yeah, so let's just do that now, and then we're going to put the water on, and then we're going to seal, label, and that's it for today. Right, so normally I'd just pick the leaves off and thing and put it in there, but I'm just gonna roll this up and put my herb straight into my container like so. Yeah, and this is gonna stay in there for a period of time. I've got other herbs up here as well that I've bundled up, and I wanted to make some extracts, so I will be showing you that really soon. Okay, right, so now I've got my herb in here nice and ready to. We're going to be using 24 grams of water. Okay, right, so we've got our water in here now. Okay, and now we're going to add our glycerin. Right, so now I'm going to add my glycerin to my container. Okay, and we need at least 98 grams. Sorry, 96. Okay. Ooh, coming close. There we go. 95. Just one little twip. There we go. 96.2 grams. And then this is going to be all we add in our extracts. Okay? Then we're going to get a greaseproof paper. We're going to line our lids. And we're going to actually cover the extract. Now we can actually cover our extract, and we're going to give it a shake. All right. then this is going to be our Cerasee extract. And then we're going to leave this for around 3 months to let it do its thing. And then you're going to have your strong herbal Cerasee extract, where you can add it to your teas, your juices, your water, your gravy, whatever you want to add it to. Or you can just take it on its own, right? A few drops underneath the tongue, and that's it. If you want me to tell you how to take this under your tongue, just message me, give me a message. I'll leave my email and you can message me, and then I'll get back to you. But this is going to be very strong, so I'd advise you use it with caution. All right, but this is going to help you so much. This is going to be beneficial for the skin, for the body, and for the overall health and well-being. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment box below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But you're going to label your extract now. You're going to put it in your dark room and leave it for a few weeks to months to let it cure. All right, so it's going to pull all the medicinal properties out of the Cerasee, and then this is going to be your little extract to use whenever you want, and this can last up to 2 to 3 years. All right, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon. They join the whole gang. All right, let me just put this bag over them like so.
But take a screenshot of your IG, so when them say you a street, you know I might do that. Full up a style.